Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Bea and I'm glad you're back. And in case you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, painting, art journaling, assemblage and anything else what sparks my interest. After a lot of nice and sweet mini canvases lately, I had to throw in some grunge. So I grabbed some aluminum tape which I got from the home improvement store. I did place it on some mixed media paper and then put it into an embossing folder and run it through the big shot. Next I did cut it roughly to size and glued everything onto my cardboard mini canvas. On the leftover strip I did test the colors and then I started playing with alcohol in the mini spray bottle and alcohol inks. I have different brands of alcohol inks, which I use interchangeable. Where in the world is my mini sprayer again? That does happen a lot to me. What about you? Are you looking for your stuff too? But now back to what I'm doing here. With a cosmetic sponge I dab the colors around to get a somewhat mottled effect. Okay, I need more black. Remember, it has to be grungy. Black always helps. Just for those who are new here, I have holes in my mini canvases, as I want to bind it at the end of the year in a booklet. Yep, it will be a fat one, but anyway. Of course I have to see where they are, so that I don't put important things right over the hole. Has happened to me. To tone down the shine a bit, I add gesso, just a thin layer so that the colors are still peeking through. Next I'm gonna emboss a steampunk bird. Sorry, it is a second-hand stamp and I have no idea what brand it is, but it is a fun one. The embossing powder is from Wow, an English company. They have a color called verdigris, which is perfect here. I hope you enjoyed the video so far, and if you are new here, I will have the playlist for the weekly series Everything with Wing in the iCard in the upper right corner. You are welcome to play along as much as you want. And in case you'd like to share what you have done, head over to my Facebook group Bears Mixed Media and more. I will have the link in the description. To color the bird, I used the Amsterdam wax crayons together with a water tank brush. Any water-soluble wax crayons would work too. The thing with the dark background is that you have to lighten it up around the focal point. So that's what I do here, I just add some gesso. No quote this time, I just stamped the word, and I'm pretty sure I made it up, but you get the idea. This time I'm pretty sure where I have these alphabet stamps from. Every time when I go to a Michael's, I check on their bargain bins. And for the non-North Americans, Michael's is a brick craft store chain found all around America. To give the bird a bit more visual dimension, I use foam dots. To get rid of the white border from cutting, I distress the edges with ink. Here a vintage photo from the Distress ink line. Sometimes the white from the foam dots is too stark, so I use a permanent marker and color the edges. Just a little detail, but I like this look much better. The same marker again, but this time I go around the canvas edges. It gives a kind of a border around and ties everything together. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share so others can enjoy too. See you soon somewhere online.